So I came to South Carolina to visit my mom. And you know, there's always something that your mom makes that you really, really like. And my something is my mom's baked beans. So that's what she's making me, right, Mama?
Right.
So this is 2 pounds of dried baby lima beans that she boiled, and they soak for 2 hours.
For 2 minutes.
You boil them for 2 minutes.
And soak them for an hour.
Okay. And she's frying up 1 pound of bacon till it's nice and crispy, right, Mama?
Mm-hmm. All the fat's out of it.
Okay, so then you chop up 1 onion. We use the Vidalia onion. And you fry it up in the same pan that you have the bacon in. So you use the bacon grease to fry it up. So while that is cooking up, we put the beans, we turn the beans back on to cook so they can get nice and soft. About 20 minutes, Mama said. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
And that's what the onions look like when they're getting cooked. If you could smell them, you'd be so happy. And there's the bacon. You have to make sure you cook it till it's nice and crispy and all brown. So, are they done yet, Mom?
No. Onions got to be clear.
Okay. They're not quite clear yet, but they sure smell good. And you got to cook them on low, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Just like the bacon, cook it on low. Low and slow. It'll get done. It'll get good.
Keep an eye on your beans and see how much bigger they're getting.
Yeah. These are going to be good. Everybody likes Mama's baked beans. She makes the best ones in South Carolina. Right, Mama?
I hope so.
Okay, so after you recook the beans for that 20 minutes and they're all nice and soft, you don't drain the water out, right, Mom? You leave that water.
It all depends on how much water's in it. Sometimes you have to drain a little water out.
Okay, but we don't.
I think you have to drain a little bit.
You want to drain a little bit?
Yeah.
That's a little too much?
I think so.
All right.
And now we add 2 cans of tomato soup.
Okay. So we're going to put in 2 cans of the tomato soup, Campbell's tomato soup. And you mix those in. Then we got some brown sugar coming.
Cup of brown sugar.
1 cup of brown sugar. And Mama eyeballs, but she knows. She's been cooking for 80 years. Right, Mom?
I think so.
That's a little more than a cup, Mama. Yeah. Just a little over a cup. We're making 2 pounds of beans here. Mix it up real good. Then we're going to add some Heinz ketchup. And some French's yellow mustard.
Squirt it out at me.
So 2 pumps of Heinz ketchup and 2 pumps of the French's mustard. Then we get the log cabin. Log cabin syrup. 2 squeezes. Mix it up real good. You see the consistency of the water in there?
Bacon.
Add your bacon. That's 1 pound of bacon cooked up nice and crispy.
And we add the onions. And you gotta stuff it.
Okay. here's the deli calling me. And look at those baked beans bacon. No onions and onions. Look at them yum yum beans. The finished beans. No onions, onions.